10 DuckDuckGo features that'll simplify your daily tasks. DuckDuckGo is a popular search engine among those who want to protect their privacy online. 1. Find word definitions. All of us come across some sort of new term every day. If you work out of a browser most of the time, you can use DuckDuckGo's dictionary feature to look up the meanings of these words online. In addition, if you want to learn more about the word, tap on More at WordNik at the bottom of the card, and it will take you to WordNik, which is the dictionary that powers this feature. 2. Convert units. Similar to looking up words, another nifty DuckDuckGo feature that can come in handy is unit conversion. Simply type convert followed by the operand with the unit and the unit into which you want to convert it. 3. Generate a password. A strong password helps you keep your online accounts secure. As such, a password manager is a must on any device you use, as it can help you generate and keep all your passwords in one place. That said, sometimes you may just want a password for temporary use. DuckDuckGo's quick password generation feature can help you in such a situation. Go to the DuckDuckGo search page and type password, followed by your desired password length. For example, password 20 will give you a 20-character long password. 4. Check a website status. At times, problems with DNS or something else can cause certain websites to go down temporarily. When this happens, you're often left wondering whether it's an internet problem at your end or is it the website. 5. Expand a shortened URL. Shortened links are easy to store and share. However, they can sometimes be used to lead you to unsafe websites, especially when you're unaware of their origin. 6. Generate a QR code. QR codes make sharing information with others easy. While you can use online tools to create QR codes encoded with multiple types of data, using DuckDuckGo's QR code generator is often a better and faster option. With this, you just need to type QR and follow it up with the message or link you want to encode into the QR code. 7. Get a cheat sheet for any program. If you've recently started using a new program, tool, or programming language, you might be unfamiliar with its various features, tricks, and keyboard shortcuts. As such, you need to look them up on the program's website or some other website. Fortunately, if you're a DuckDuckGo user, you don't have to do this. Simply go to the DuckDuckGo homepage, type cheat sheet, and follow it up with the program name for notes you want to reference. 8. Find alternatives to any app or service. Sometimes, you may want to look up alternatives to an app or service. Perhaps this is because the one you currently use or are interested in isn't free, or for some other reason. DuckDuckGo's alternative to integration in its search engine makes doing this easier for you. With this, all you have to do is enter alternatives to, followed by the name of the app or service for which you want an alternative. The search engine will then pull up a list of all similar apps and services. Or, if you want to expand the details, click on the Alternative to button, which will take you to Alternative to. 9. Look up HTML codes for special characters. Most keyboards feature support for certain special characters, which you can access using the Shift key. However, there are still many special characters, many of which you may want to use at some point, that aren't available for direct input on the keyboard. 10. Bangs. Bangs are DuckDuckGo shortcuts that allow you to quickly look up something on a website. DuckDuckGo has bangs for pretty much any website you know or would use, including some cool DuckDuckGo bangs that can save you time with various internet operations. For example, if you want to search YouTube for Aurora Borealis videos, you can use DuckDuckGo for more than web browsing. DuckDuckGo includes some really cool and useful features, which give DuckDuckGo an edge over other search engines. Using these, you can use DuckDuckGo for more than just web browsing and carry out various trivial operations quickly and easily without needing specific tools. If you've been thinking of switching away from Google or any other search engine, it's one of the reasons you should consider using DuckDuckGo as your search engine.